koda skul moro machielo. Riwruog jopuonjre machon e skund yawuoyi mar Lodwa High mong'ere kaka Lodwa Old Boys dwaro ni tend migawo mar somo lok japuonj maduong' mar skundno tok jopuonjre rem mokalo e duoko mar penj higa mokadho. Kotenore kod jakom margi Laktar Robert Eloto Abok, giwacho ni jopuonjre 74 ne yudo grade mar D, kata dwoko ni skundno nitiere rang'iny mar skunde madongo mong'ere kaka National School. Riwruogno lero ni skundno osebedo ka ndiko duoko marach kuom higni 8 mokalo. Ka gisewo jatend skundno kuom duoko makamago, gimano gikwayo jatend migawo mar somo mondo wil jatend skundno Patrick Lokwayen kaachiel gi board mar skundno.
Founded by His Lordship the late Bishop John Christopher Mahon. This is the only boys' national school in Turkana County. In the just concluded 2025 KCSE results, Lodwa High School had the lowest mean grade in 40 years of 5.5 in the 40 years of KCSE era. This is the lowest mean grade the school has ever seen. The school also registered 74 Ds, a national school registering 74 Ds.
Still being told the school is experiencing sneaking incidences in the school. Why? What is the role of the 2 deputies in that school? What is the role? The motto of that school is hard work and discipline. It is our class of 2001 that put that motto. Why is the school deteriorating in terms of discipline? There is a problem. So we want to say respectively, Mwalimu, it is time. It is time because we still love you, we respect you. Please allow the school to be changed to somebody else so that we can have some new ideas.
The principal, as a matter of urgency, should leave because we need to do a drastic surgery to the leadership and the management in that school.
So we are sending a warning and a paragon of compendium statement to all the stakeholders and the school administration that if you are unable to give us the credible result of our status, that is a national school and the only national school in Turkana County, it is just one thing that you can do to ourselves. Just vacate the school premises and leave us